I had guys that sucked me into buying a stupid, I mean, I like it now, but the vacuum I've got, the Electrolux Super Suck, the Kirby, like, dude, they wouldn't freaking leave my house. And they got my wife all invested in it. Then he like damaged my bed by showing me how it could suck up my really nice bed, and he messed up all the fabric because it was really, really fine silk or something. I was like, oh my word. In the end, I gave him really high-end speakers that I'd never used because I never bought a receiver or anything to run it. And then he gave me a little discount on the Kirby. It was so dumb. I can't believe I bought that thing. I was like, oh my gosh. He came back the next year. I was like, dude, you're gone. There is no way you're gonna suck me into this twice.